You get to work on your degree, you get to experience another country, you get to make friends from other schools, you get to meet people from your own school that you probably wouldn't have met otherwise, and you get to, have a whole new experience. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
The advice that I would give to students that want to come is definitely come. And when you're here, make the most of the time you have.
I kind of love this city just because it feels like a small town, but then it has all of the things that you want out of the city, things to do, places to eat, things to see.
We do craft classes, we do electives, we of course have workshops. So I'm taking fiction workshop, nonfiction workshop, and the witches literature class, which have all been really exciting.
I think that it's a great cost when you consider the fact that there is room, board, for some of the meals are taken care of, and that it includes your tuition. And it's like a little over a month abroad.
This program is really good with trying to offer scholarship opportunities, so they tell you which ones to apply for. Apply for all of them, just do it.